Hello, this is Senora Chamberlain, and today I'm going to talk about how to unlock all the mysteries of the class page, which is absolutely critical for you to understand how to access information for the course. You will learn how to find your lesson plans, homework assignments, any announcements that I've posted, as well as some useful resources to help you study more efficiently for the class. As you come into the home page, on the upper left, you can see the classes listed: Spanish 3, Spanish 4, Spanish 5, AP Spanish Culture and Language. You click on the word itself to access your class page. Don't click on the message on the symbol to the left, which looks like a play button. That actually triggers submenus, which we'll talk about in another tutorial. So click on the page that is relevant to you, and as soon as you get there, bookmark it onto your computer if you have a computer that you use a lot. I'm going to use Spanish 3 as my sample, but they are all pretty much operating the same way. You'll see right away when you come in that there's two columns, left and right, and on the left side is where all the critical day-to-day information is, such as the lesson plans, the homework, announcements, that kind of thing. And you'll notice that I have 2 days here listed on this one. I have August 26th and August 27th, and you can see here the work that we are supposed to be doing in class. Notice I say supposed to. Things will vary according to reality, as it happens to us with fire alarms, etc., pep assemblies, etc. But anyway, and then underneath the actual tasks, I have what are called deberes. Deberes are your homework assignments, the things that you're supposed to do outside of class to get prepared for the next class period. And so it is the expectation that you would have those things done before you walk into the class next day. So let's take a look at the homework of the 27th, 28th, blown up a little bit, and you can see here that these students are supposed to read the course syllabus by Monday, and that there's going to be a quiz on the 3rd or 4th of September. And also the second thing is they're supposed to bring in their signature of their parents of that they've read the syllabus. The third thing is a study suggestion for them to read through all class notes. And the fourth thing is to remind those people who still don't have an account on the wiki to do it by a certain date. So that's very typical of what that will look like, and you need to get into the habit of reading that probably every day, at least Sunday through Thursday. I recommend reading that. Over on the right-hand side, you will see some resources. So I might have vocabulary over here. I might have a YouTube video that's interesting. I might have, as you see down here with Antonio Banderas' picture, this is actually a Quizlet widget, which allows you to study the first vocabulary set, and you could do it either right here on the wiki, or you could go to Quizlet and study it there. And I will try to post those for Spanish 3 and 4. This kind of widget won't exist for Spanish 5 or AP. But there'll be other widgets there. So pay attention to the right side. If your computer screen is smaller, make sure you scroll right so that you can see if I'm storing anything over there. All right, so by now you should be able to find your class page, and you should have bookmarked it on the computer that you use the most. You should be able to find lesson plans, homework, assignments, and important announcements. You should be able to find resources for studying, and these are the most critical things about the wiki that you need right now to get started on the semester.